Myself, Varinder Kaur, serving as lecturer physics at Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Model Town, Patiala. Today I am performing this experiment, which is called the experiment to determine Young's modulus of material of a given wire using Searle's apparatus. This apparatus is called as Searle's apparatus. Now I am telling you the procedure, what we have to do in this particular experiment. We are considering this wire as reference wire, and this wire is the material for which we want to find the Young's modulus. This material is iron. For this particular experiment, here we are using the reference load, that is approx 2 kg, and this is the load that we will be increasing or decreasing in the steps. First step is that we find the diameter of this wire using the screw gauge. Then we find the length of this wire with the help of the meter rod. This particular wire, because this is reference, we will be solving it for this one. Then in steps of 0.5 each, we will be increasing the load, and then we will be moving this, we're arranging the readings so that the bubble comes in the center. Okay, then we'll be noting down the readings of this scale. First we'll be noting the linear scale reading, then the circular scale reading, and we'll be using the formula. We are using this particular formula, y is equals to mgl upon pi r square L. This capital M is 2 kg, G will be taking 9.8, L is the length of this wire, which was approx 220 centimeter. Then pi 3.14, R is the radius of this wire, which we have found with the help of the screw gauge, and the value came out to be, the diameter came out to be 0.91. Dividing it by 2, we got the radius. Fine. So this small L we calculate from this table, which we arranged using extensions in each case, in each steps of 0.5 kg each. So putting all the values, we find the value of Y for ours. Thank you so much.